Hi friends, hope you like my short tutorial on Lightroom. Now in this video we are going to discuss about brush tool and how we can utilize it. So if we go by definition, it helps you in creating or painting various adjustments locally, that is a specific part of an image. Now comes the position of brush tool, which is just above the basic panel in the develop module of Lightroom. So once you click on it, you find another adjustment window of having various sliders like exposure, contrast, etc. This means you can change these effects with brush tool locally or specifically where you want to apply the effects. My next question is how you can use these effects. So once you use drop down key in the adjustment panel, you find various presets which you can use directly or select custom preset by which you can apply effects according to your choice, and later you can save it as a new preset. Now to add color with the brush tool, there is a color tab just below the various slider in the adjustment tool. So once you hit this key or tab, you can select various color from the color panel and paint anything in the selected image as shown in my screen. Now for creating a new adjustment brush tool, you have to hit a new tab which is there in the adjustment panel. And if you want to reset your selected brush having previous adjustments, so you need to do double click on effect tab lies just adjacent to drop down key. As of now, we discuss about various local adjustment with the help of this tool. But how you will decide the size, degree of hardness and opacity of brush tool? Now there is another panel just below various adjustment sliders. In this panel you have a flexibility of selecting two brush for different adjustment, that is A and B. So you can switch in between these two as per your choice. And there are some preset assigned to these two brushes. So you can use predefined setting or customize it. It is as per your choice. Apart from adding effects, you can also delete some applied adjustment with the help of erase key, dedicated erase key. For using this key, you can hold Alt key which create minus sign in your brush tool, or use erase slider which is there in the same panel. Now finally, to review or visualize applied adjustment, you need to check show selected mask overlay which lies just below the image which you are using in the Lightroom. That's all from my end. In my coming video, we will see how the workflow of brush tool will work by taking few examples. Hope you like my tutorial on Lightroom. Please share your comment for further discussion on this topic, and thank you so much.